All right, guys, this is JT from JT Coin Rings. Today, I'm taking this challenge coin here, and I'm turning this into a coin ring. This right here is going to be, I'm turning into a pendant, and also using this outer as a coin ring itself. So, guys, stay tuned and watch me work my coin ring magic, okay? Now, this is not silver, but it is silver plated. I purchased these from my local coin store, and I really like the coins because I did have the silver one, which is like 0.995 silver, but this here I thought would be cool because I did sell it, and for me to buy a per silver one, it's like about $35 to $40. I don't know the mintage, how many they made of these, but I found this relatively cheap. I think I paid maybe $6 or maybe $10 for this. And I would make a nice ring and a pendant out for someone who served in the military, or maybe a loved one they want to keep as a momentum. Wrong word. As memorabilia or as a reminder of a loved one. Let's put it like that. Bam! Got it. So what I want to do is put this inside. Oh gosh, guys, it don't fit. It don't fit into my punch. So what I will have to do is use my Peppy Tools combination cutter right here. All right, so that's what I'm going to use, guys. But I'm gonna have to make sure I find the center of this coin. So this right here was made Unminted Coin Company. A great tool. I can find the center of any coin by using this little device here. I'll put the description or the information in the description below so you can find it as well. But what I'm going to need is my marker. So I'll try this. Something to allow it to slide a little. Okay, so I'm gonna put the hole here. All right, good, perfect. There we go. And that's going to allow me to do a perfect center. I didn't know this round was going to be so big. All right, and as we see here, perfect center. I did place that silver round inside of my Peppy Tools combination disc cutter. I'll leave also information about this disc cutter from Peppy Tools in the description. It's a great tool. I definitely love it. It has saved me a lot. And as you say in the beginning, because I could not fit that round inside my punch that I do have, I use this punch for everything. Sometimes you have to use something else. And yes, there are other coin punch on the market. I don't have them at my disposal, so I use my Peppy Tools. They was very graceful to send me this maybe 2 years ago. I love them for that, and I've been using it ever since. And see, it's in great condition. Okay, so here's my Peppy Tools. So what you want to do now is make sure that you grab your the right size. And we have right over here, you have a group of, different sizes from 1/8 all the way to made perfectly nice and strong. So what I want to do is find the 3/8 punch, and we find it right here. Peppy Tools also provides Peppy Lube. Okay, so what you want to do is make sure that you put that over the punch. Once you have it lined up, you want to tighten it. Okay, I want to put my 3/8 punch in and take it over here to my 6-ton press. Put my urethane backing down. Beautiful thing about this one here is that this can be 2 rings. I can make a ring out of the outer portion, which will have 2 great sides. You have the Semper Fidelis, always faithful, on one side, or you can choose to have the United States Marine Corps with the 3 stars on the left and 3 stars on the right. You can also make a ring and have this beautiful out showing from the outside, or you can have a ring with this and outside, and this would be inside. I let the people choose which one do you think would be a better looking ring. Let me know. Take that top portion and bring some shape to it, and then make sure that I shine up what they call the cut edge, and also shine up this edge. This ring should be around 7.5 to about a 9.